If you're thinking about diving into the world of AI for your business, understanding why AI projects fail can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. In this video, I will cover the top 5 common reasons why AI projects fail and provide practical tips in order to avoid these pitfalls. So whether you are a startup or a seasoned enterprise, these insights are crucial for anyone leading AI initiatives. Let's start off with unclear objectives. Now, it's very common for AI projects to start off without a clear definition of success. So defining precise, quantifiable goals are crucial. Try using the SMART method, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Also, a good question to ask is, what is exactly the problem your business is trying to address? Align these goals with your overall business strategy to ensure that everyone is on the same page. You probably heard this saying, crap in, crap out. AI uses data. So the better your data is, the smarter the AI will be. Good tip here is to invest in a robust data cleansing process before you even start with AI. If you already started your data cleansing process, make sure your data is accurate, well-noted, and organized. AI works well with organized data sets. AI projects require a mix of specialist skills. AI business analysts, software engineers, data scientists, to name a few. Make sure these people have hands-on, proven experience within AI, machine learning, and managing large data sets. Now, you also may want to consider upscaling your existing staff or working with a specialized and proven AI consultancy service. Like other tech projects, AI initiatives require strong project management to stay on track. So implementing agile project management techniques, having regular check-ins, efficient communications across teams help deliver a successful project. So AI is a very powerful tool, but let's face it, it's not the answer for everything. So from the very beginning, set realistic goals and manage your stakeholder expectations. Explain to your teams what AI can do and what AI cannot do. Ensure everyone's aligned and set realistic goals. Start off small and gradually scale the project over time to meet your business needs. So that wraps up the top 5 common reasons why AI projects fail, just like my light. So if you have any experience in implementing AI projects or you're just starting, then we'd like to hear your comments. So please share them below. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.